If you don't have too much knowledge or you're not an expert in Bitcoin or the way cryptocurrency work, that's completely okay because I'm going to be going over everything that you need to know in order to get started today in this video.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
We're going to be going over how to invest into Bitcoin for the year as a beginner. What I'm going to actually do is invest $100 of my own money into Bitcoin and show you exactly in real time how it works. You just literally have to watch this video till the end and I'll share with you exactly what you need to do.
I am going to be a very rich dude.
If you're new to the channel, welcome. Normally we talk about personal finances and how to grow and sustain your finances the right way. Hi there, my name is AY Robert and welcome to my video on cryptocurrency. If you're new to the world of crypto, this video is for you.
Take a chair, please.
So, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It's decentralized, meaning no government or institution controls it. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are popular examples. Think of cryptocurrency like digital cash, but instead of physical coins or bills, it exists only online. So, how does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency operates on a technology called blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger that records all transactions, making it secure and transparent. Mining involves solving complex math problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. You can store cryptocurrency in digital wallets like online bank accounts. Understanding crypto values. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate rapidly due to supply and demand, adoption rates, global events, and market sentiment. Understanding these factors can help you make informed decisions. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency is volatile and prices may drop as well as rise. What are the benefits and what are the risks? Cryptocurrency offers decentralization, security, and potential gains. However, it also comes with regulatory uncertainty, security risk, and market volatility. It's essential to be aware of both sides before investing or using cryptocurrency. Hold on. I'll say it again. It is important to understand the risk involved in cryptocurrency before diving or investing in it. So, getting started with cryptocurrency. If you're interested in exploring cryptocurrency further, you can start by researching reputable exchanges, setting up a digital wallet, and learning about popular cryptocurrencies. Always prioritize securities and never invest more than you can lose. I will be buying $100 worth of Bitcoin, so for this video, I'm going to be using YellowCard in Google Chrome on my computer. Now, why am I using YellowCard? YellowCard is a cryptocurrency platform like Coinbase and blockchain where you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency. You can also use Coinbase or blockchain as well. For the sake of this video, like I mentioned, I will be using this platform for those outside the US and the UK so they can learn how to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency the right way. So, right now, I'm in my YellowCard account and we have 200,644 Naira in here, and I will buy Bitcoin worth of $100 with that right now. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin is currently at $61,445,000. I am buying at an all-time high price. It may not be the best time to enter the market, but if you're holding this for at least a couple of years, it doesn't matter when you go in. Just at least have a position in case this rises up to $100,000. I'm going to place a bet right now. This time next year, Bitcoin should soar up to the roof. Here is how this works. In order for you to successfully buy Bitcoin today, you don't have to put $100 into the market. You could put $10 worth of Bitcoin. You could put $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, whatever you most comfortable with. And please remember that you have to be comfortable with the amount of money you're putting into Bitcoin or into cryptocurrency in general. So Coinbase is one of the most popular apps to trade on, and they are secure. They have funding by investors from Silicon Valley. I've been using them for a very long time, as well as many other high performing cryptocurrency traders use this platform, but they use the pro version. If you're kind of a noob and you're getting into this, you don't have to worry about it too much. People who are trading crypto much more diligently will download something like Coinbase Pro. You do have to pay to use that though, but the regular Coinbase is very free to use. Here we are. You can buy crypto for one-time purchase. You can also do things where you can repeat it through different times of either the day, the week, or the month, or even every month. So let's take a look at the YellowCard interface. Currently, as you can see, this is the YellowCard account, and as you can see, the interface is pretty yellow, right? We have $126 in my account. So as you can see here, you have buy coins, sell coins, and discover new coins. So if you want to buy coin, click here. You see the interface pretty nice and very easy to to follow through. And then also sell coins. You can see if you want to sell coins, you click on it, and then you see that the interface is pretty the same as the buy coins. And then if you want to discover new coins, you also see Bitcoin spelled there, and then the amount over there, and then we have PayPal USD among other coins that are available. We have the Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT coins, among others. So for the sake of this video, we'll go back to the home. We want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. Stay with me. So this is my wallet section, and as you can see, we have the Naira, we have the Bitcoin section, and then currently I have $0.01. It's pretty small, so I'm going to buy, and then see it reflect in the Bitcoin section. And then I have a USDT as well, which is $0.39. And because we want to buy Bitcoin, we will just have to click on Bitcoin. Okay, so we want to buy Bitcoin. We use the buy or sell tab, or send or receive tab. So we want to click on the buy tab. So as you can see here now, we have the interface. The interface are pretty the same. Interface with the buy and sell pretty the same, so that you can get yourself familiar with it. And because of the currency right now, I'll put 200,000 Naira, which is approximately $100, and then I can also switch that to dollars here. And on this section here, I can see we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT. So if I want to change my mind, maybe I just want to buy another kind of Bitcoin or another kind of coins or another kind of cryptocurrency, I will just have to just pick any of this. But for the sake of this, we're buying Bitcoin. So we're buying Bitcoin, and then you click on review and confirm. So now here it's saying you are buying 0.00192444 BTC. That is the approximate amount for the $100 Bitcoin that I'm trying to buy. Okay, so it's telling me that I would receive this particular amount in my wallet. And then we have some rules and regulation here to actually read, because it's very important to always read through terms and conditions before you actually proceed. So before proceeding, you should ensure that you fully understand and can afford to undertake the risk involved when trading digital assets. You can see here they try to spell it out for you that you should understand the risk that you are about to take, because they know that cryptocurrency in general is all about risk. But as a new beginner that you are, try not to do more than you can. Don't go overboard. Don't put all of your life savings into Bitcoin just so you can make money off it. You have to be careful, because it goes up and it goes down. So when it goes down, so you won't have to cry. You have to be very careful and make sure you are on the safe side, that if peradventure the Bitcoin you're buying is not really doing well, you can still chill and still have some other money to fend yourself. But like I was saying, I can only do $100 right now, which of course in the future I might buy more, but for now I'm staying on my means. So here you can see the breakdown. Here is the breakdown of what you want to buy, and then they will be taking a 0.775% fee. They'll be taking that fee just for charges, among others. So, and then we have the BTC rates after fee. They will also tell you again the amount you're also going to receive, which is 0.00192444 BTC. So let's go back and let's click confirm. So then I'll put in my PIN. And then we wait. Yes, your BTC is ready. So now your 0.00192 is in your wallet. As you can see, pretty simple and very, very easy. So now you have to go to your wallet to see if truly the $100 you actually got is now in your wallet. So let's check it out. So currently we just purchased the $100 worth of Bitcoin. As you can see, is reflecting right now in the wallet as 0.0019235 BTC. So you can just go confirm again in your wallet to be sure it's in. You click on this, and then we go back to home. And then as you can see here under the available balance on the Bitcoin, we have $123.35. So remember we had 0.001 of Bitcoin, and right now we have it reflecting in the balance as the total available balance. As you can see now, we just purchased $100 worth of Bitcoin, and that is how you get it done. So remember, there are a lot of hackers that know the value of what Bitcoin is worth, and they also know how anonymous a lot of this transaction is. So if someone hacks you and steals your Bitcoin, you are not going to get help from the FTC. You're not going to get help from your insurance company or any of these banks. Oftentimes, if you lose your Bitcoin and it gets hacked, it's gone for good. So you have to be very careful. It's both the disadvantage and the advantage of using an anonymous peer-to-peer networking system. So in conclusion, as a beginner for this year, everything I said in this video is going to be evergreen, meaning that what happened in 2024 is going to be applicable in 2025, 2026, and 2027, or even 2028. So no matter what time of the year you're watching this video, this is still going to be the principle that you need to know, and that's not going to change anytime soon. You don't need to put $1,000 into the markets. I don't recommend you even put your entire life savings into cryptocurrency. It's very, very risky if you do that. But I do believe that you should put a small portion of your net worth into cryptocurrency, because it is one of the most valuable investments you can make for this year. So keep in mind, guys, I'm no financial expert. I am not an advisor of any kind. I'm a random guy on YouTube. So a lot of this is going to be at your own discretion. One last thing. If you guys did find value in this video, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment down below, because I would like to know what you actually feel about this whole video and what you want me to show next. Subscribe on this channel if you haven't, and I really appreciate all of you guys for your time, and hopefully you learned a lot. And follow me over on Instagram if you haven't. So until next time, I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.